On to example 7. It would be really helpful on example 7. The only reason I'm actually showing you this example because it's simpler than the last problem we did once we do this step. Instead of a to the minus 1 in the numerator, I'm going to write 1 over a. Just using that property of negative exponents. Plus 1 over b. We have a plus b in the denominator. So we've got to put together, we've got to do the addition with those fractions in the numerator. My LCD is going to be AB. Just multiplying those two denominators because they have no like factors. And my next step, I'm going to do the work to convert to the common denominator. I know my A's look a little bit like 9s. Okay, so we get B. Okay, so B, okay, my denominator in the numerator is AB. And on the left-hand side, I get B. On the right-hand side, I get A. And that is all over A plus B. Okay. So again, I made the major fraction bar, the one that was in the original problem, slightly longer. And I do it just for a case like this where it's easy to lose, especially when the denominator is not a fraction. Okay, so I'm going to make it a fraction. Next step, I'm going to flip and multiply. Whoops. Flip. Okay, b plus a and a plus b are the exact same thing, so they cancel. And the final answer to this problem is 1 over a b. Last problem is just is an example of a problem that will show up on that. I'm assigning a problem that's an even problem. So I'm not giving you the solutions, but I'm showing you an example. Average cost. So average cost per book for printing a booklet is this expression. All right? For printing X booklets is evaluate the expression for X equals 50 and interpret the results. I'm going to go ahead and, average cost, I'm going to, per book. So C of B. You don't have to do this. I like putting in function notation. So C of number of books being 50 is going to be, bad idea because there's an X. So the cost of X books, try that again. So C of 50 is going to be 120 plus 0.65 times 50 all over 50. Then we just plug in the number they gave us, go through some calculations. Okay, 0.65 times 50, it looks like it's 32.5. So 120 plus 32.5 over 50. And you don't have to show the work on the quiz. They're just looking for an answer. I just want to make it clear how I got my answer. The numerator goes to 152.5. When I divide that by 50, I get 3.05. Okay, we're going to explain that answer. That's what they mean by interpret. Our average cost for 50 books is $3.05 per book. All I'm doing is I'm taking the numbers in the problem and just putting them in the context of the problem that was described at the very beginning. And we are done. I will see you in class.